Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, I wanted to do a combination of warm and cool tones. I don't know why, but I love the combination of warm shadows and cool shadows together. I feel like it's really different and fun. So that is what I did, and I feel like I haven't done a silver look in so long, so I wanted to incorporate a little bit of silver into this eyeshadow look. So I hope you guys enjoy, and if you want to stick around to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the Sigma Warm Neutrals eyeshadow palette. The first shadow I'm picking up is Toasty. I'm starting with my Sigma E38 Diffuse Crease Brush, and I'm going to start running this shadow through my crease area. It's going back and forth, and then doing little circular motions to help blend this out. I'm going into the Galactic Metallic Shadow Stick in Stone. Now I'm just going to roughly apply this all over my lid. And then just swiping down at the bottom of my crease to apply this into that area. And then I'm going to take my E54 Medium Sweeper Brush by Sigma and start quickly just buffing this out. It doesn't have to be super neat, but you kind of just want to make sure it's not as patchy. And then through my crease area, I'm going to kind of press a little bit harder into this area and start blending that out. This is going to take some time, but if you go back and forth and then do little circular motions, it will start blending it out. I'm now going into henna. And then going into the Sigma E38 Diffuse Crease Brush, I'm going to apply this at the high point of my crease. And then going into Toasty and just blending everything out. Now picking up After Hours, I'm picking up the tiniest amount of this shadow, and I'm just going to apply this, kind of tap this and blend sideways on the inner half of my lid and then through the crease a little bit, and then doing the same thing on the outer third. This is just going to add a little bit of dimension to the look. On my E54 Medium Sweeper Brush, I'm picking up Toasty and smoking that on my lower lash line, and then picking up henna and doing the same thing, and this time just smoking this a little bit lower because I want this to really peek through at the bottom. And then picking up After Hours on my E15 Flat Definer brush and applying that really close to my lash line. And then start lightly just smoking that down. I'm now picking up the BH Cosmetics Eye Lights in BFF. Picking this up on my finger, I'm going to concentrate this mostly on the center of my lid, but then I'm going to lightly buff this over the outer corners of my lid and then just at the bottom of my crease. To line my waterline and tightline, I'm going into the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Demolition. I'm now going to line my upper waterline and then line my lower waterline. I'm going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and I'm going to the Pretty Little Thing X Tati Lashes in Chick Flick, and that's the eye look done. For lipstick, I'm going to go into a shade that I haven't used in a while. It's still in its old packaging, but this is the Ofra Liquid Lipstick in Manila. And that is it. This is a completed look of my warm brown and silver smoky eye. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love how the look turned out so much. I love, love, love the combination of the warm crease with the silver on the lid. I am obsessed, and I hope you guys are too. And if you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, that'll be right here, as well as down in the description box, and also a list of all the products I used today, along with my brush set with Sigma that I used to create this look, will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload, and I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!